Good morning everyone. I'm DJ De Los Santos. Kami yung last na reporter. Yung report namin is patungkol sa financial literacy. And yung report ko is sa life insurance. Life insurance is a type of insurance that compensates beneficiaries upon the death of the policyholder. The company will guarantee a payout for the beneficiaries in exchange of premiums. This compensation is called death benefit. Depending on the type of insurance, one may have these events can be anything from retirement to major injuries to critical illness or even to death. The following are common risk categories. Number 1, preferred plus. The policy holder is in excellent health with normal weight, no history of smoking, chronic illnesses, or family history of any life-threatening disease. Number 2, preferred. The policyholder is in excellent health but may have minor issues on cholesterol or blood pressure but under control. Number 3, standard plus. The policyholder is in very good health but some factors like high blood pressure or being overweight impede a better rating. Number 4, standard. Most policyholders belongs to this category as they are deemed to be healthy and have a normal life expectancy, although they have a family history of a life-threatening disease or few minor health issues. Number 5, substandard. For those with serious health issues like diabetes or heart disease, are placed on a table ratings system, ranked from highest to lowest. On average, the premiums will be similar to standard with an additional 25% lower claim on table ratings. And number 6 is yung smokers. Due to an added risk of smoking, the policyholders in this category are guaranteed to pay more. Aside from health class, age is also a critical factor in determining premiums. Therefore, old people pay more expensive premiums. And next is yung benefits of life insurance. Number 1, it pays for medical and funeral costs. Life insurance helps solve the incurred expenses for medical and funeral services to lessen the grief among family and relatives of being unprepared. Nakakatulong yung life insurance sa medical and funeral o yung sa libing. Nababawasan yung binabayaran dahil dun sa insurance. And pangalawa is for financial support. Life insurance can become a source of temporary income during the difficult period of adjusting and coping with the loss of loved one, especially if she or he is the breadwinner. Kung nakatulong siya sa pang-araw-araw na panggastos mo. And pangatlo is for funding various financial goals. Life insurance offers additional benefits through the form of fund accumulation for specific future financial goals. Sabi dito for financial goals is makatulong siya kapag maghanap ka ng trabaho or sa, kunwari, parang sa pag-aaral mo na rin. Mga as a retirement secured conform. Modern life insurance also serves as a tool that principal holders can use to get in a better financial position in the future. Kung nakapag-retire ka na is meron kang mga gamit na pera, hindi ka mahihirapan. And number 5, it covers costs incurred from taxes and debt. Life insurance can serve as protection since the premium can be used to pay for unsettled debts and taxes. So, yung life insurance is binabawas, meron din yun yung time na binabawas yung mga ibang utang and yung sa tax. So, yun lang po.